we'll guide you through how to change sequence resolution in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to fix incorrect video dimensions or adapt projects for different platforms using Adobe Premiere Pro. Changing sequence resolution helps avoid cropping, black bars, or distortion. It is especially useful when repurposing content for social media, ensuring videos meet specific size and format requirements for better quality output. To change sequence resolution in Adobe Premiere Pro, begin by launching the Premiere Pro application on your computer to get started. Once the program is open, utilize your saved project as an example so you can make adjustments within an existing workflow. After opening your project, click on it to make sure it is active and ready for editing. Then, press on your timeline to ensure the correct sequence is selected before making any changes. Next, move to the top left corner of the interface and click the Sequence menu to reveal additional options. From the drop-down list, choose Sequence Settings to open the configuration panel. Inside this window, locate the Editing Mode setting and pick Custom so you can modify your current resolution settings freely. You can also change the frame rate of your video by clicking on the Time Base option within the same panel. After clicking it, select a frame rate from the drop-down menu that best suits your project needs. To adjust the resolution, go to the Video section within the Sequence Settings window. In this section, find the Frame Size option, which controls the dimensions of your sequence. Choose a specific resolution by entering values that match your desired output. Start by typing a number in the horizontal box to set the width of your video. Then, also change the vertical resolution by entering a value in the corresponding box for height. Once you have entered both values and confirmed your settings, click OK to apply the changes. After doing this, you will receive a warning asking whether you want to delete previous preview files. Click OK if you want to proceed with changing your resolution and updating the sequence. Finally, once you are finished adjusting your project, export your video to save the updated resolution settings. This ensures your final output matches the dimensions you selected and is ready for sharing or publishing on your preferred platform or medium.